Bro, I swear every AI coding tool is the same now. We're the best model ever. Cool. Then why are you rate limiting me after 3 prompts like I'm on punishment? So when I heard there's a mysterious new coding model inside Kilo code called Gigapotato that can read entire repos, I was like, yeah, okay, sure, another lie. But then I saw the specs and my soul left my body a little. 256K context window, 32K output tokens, and apparently it's insane at code review and refactors, and nobody even knows which lab built it yet. So, obviously, I tested it on my worst code because I hate myself. Alright, this is inside Kilo, it's just a VS Code extension, and there it is, Gigapotato. Why does that name feel illegal? Okay, this file right here, this was written at 3 a.m. by a version of me who did not care about future me. So I'm gonna ask this thing to review the repo and tell me what's wrong with my life. Review this code and suggest refactors. Now, hold on. Why is it actually understanding my code? Why is this output so long? Like useful long? It just caught a bug I forgot existed. That's crazy. That's actually disrespectful. And it didn't choke on the repo at all. You know that feeling when you paste your real code into an AI and you're already bracing for nonsense? Yeah, this didn't do that. This feels like a model that was trained by someone who's been hurt by legacy code. What's wild is I can just swap models in here. I'm not locked into one vendor. And I haven't hit a rate limit yet, which already puts this above half the tools I've paid for. Also, this output size, this is why 32K output actually matters. Is this magic? No. Is this better at repo scale reasoning than most models I've used? Yeah, uncomfortably so. This feels like an enterprise code review demon trapped inside a potato emoji. If you want to try this yourself, Gigapotato is free right now inside Kilo. Test it on your own cursed code and tell me if I'm crazy.